Hello everyone, I hope all of you fine and doing well. My name is Amanullah and I'm going to record you MS Office for you people, and it will be complete MS Office. In this MS Office program we are going to teach you MS Word, Excel, Access in PowerPoint plus project. So stay with us, and this videos will be available in the Multi Skills Learn Academy. This is our channel. Try to subscribe our channel and learn something. Thank you.
Okay, in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most compassionate. Let's begin. We are going to start from the first, like as we studied before, we are going to start the next lecture that as we record it up to hyperlink, and we are going to start from here from bookmark. So what does bookmark means? Like for example, I'm going to write here one of the articles, like for example research or articles, and I want to underline the difficult words and I will give them the easy meaning. Like how, for example, I'm going to select this one and then click on bookmark. Bookmark means I'm going to give them a short answer, a short, like for example, like this words is so difficult from us, we are giving a simple meaning, like for example nice, right? And the second words which I selected from here, then click on the bookmark, then write here for example awesome, click on the 8, then come to the next one, like this words is so difficult, then click on bookmark, then give the meaning, for example great, right? Then click on the 8. So if you in your paragraph or research paper, if there is any difficult words, then click on the bookmark and then give them the second words meaning. Then come to at the end of the page, then click on cross reference. So there is a lot of option available, but I'm going to choose the first one, like the third one, bookmark. The words which I give, so click one by one, insert, then click number 2, great, then click number 3, nice. After that, if I'm going to stand on these words, the meaning which I gave, that will be show in above, right? Like for example, the second words, if you see great, and the third one, if you see nice. So the words meaning is available in here. It means if you have any difficult words in your research paper in paragraph, so it means you can underline that one, bookmark that one, and give them a simple meaning. The next one, comment. Like for example, in your organization, there is a lot of people who is working with you in their organization. But some of the people maybe will take some money for any purpose, but I'm going to give them records, like I want to record it. If after a long time someone say, where do you spend that money? So it means I'm going to show the record. Then click on the comment and give them comment, like he take Ali take salary for house, right? So whatever you want to mention, so you should mention after a long time. If you're going to check that Ali was taking money for what purpose, because in the NGO there is a lot of people is working, so that is why we are going to record individual. If I'm going to press Control P, so they will show you here, like it means Ali was taking money for which purpose, so it means that is the specification of any words, right? The next topic is header and footer. What does it mean by header? Header means title. Like for example, I write here one of their articles, but I want to give them a title. It is very important if you are going to write a research, or for example proposal, if you are going to submit at the university, or if you are going to make them report, for example, title is very important. But you should mention the organization name if you are going to submit over there, like university name, like article name. I'm going to mention here in the header. So there is a different type of header mentioned in here, but I'm going to choose this one and give them a title. For example, I'm going to write here one of the title, like for example University, right? So this one is the title of this one. So after that, if I'm taking 1,000 page, or if I write for 1,000 page, so it means in the all title they will be mentioned like this. So that is the header of this one. So there is a different type of style available in here. If you want to choose anyone from here, so you can choose it. More online means, like for example, if you want more online like this one is a ready-made. So if you need more online, so collect with the internet, so you can take more online. Edit means I want to edit that one. If you have any mistake over there, so you can take it and then you can make it correct. Remove means I'm going to remove that one, so you can easily remove. Save means I want to save. Click that one and select all of them, then you can save from here. What does footer means? Header means at the top of the page. Footer means at the end of the page. A person who is writing their research paper, a person who is submit their proposal, so he mentioned their own name at the end of the page. So they mentioned from footer Like for example, I'm going to mention by Ali. It means the page which prepared by Ali. In the all document, in the all page, they will mention like same. But if someone say, no, I don't need any header and footer, instead of this footer and header, I need some page number. But the page number should be in the top. In the top, that will be page number. In the bottom means at the footer, I need margin means by your own self, like I need in here. Or the next one is, if you click on the position means where I stand. Over there, that will become. And the next one is remove, means if you want to remove, so you can remove. In format means right now everyone knows that this page is start from 1. Why? Because they mentioned the number. I'm going to change the page number because nobody can know about which page is this. I'm going to write in format page number, start from which? Start from 5. Like I'm going to write 5 in here. Then click on the OK. Automatically that will be starting 5. Right? The next one is text box. So what does text box mean, sir? I'm giving salary for Ali, but I'm going to write complete information about Ali in the details, full information people call them. So click on the text box. There is also some ready-made text box, people call them, like already that is make it clear. But I need a simple one. I'm going to draw by my own self. Click on the draw text box. So I draw here, and I'm going to, for example, type my message in here. So if he is present, absent, so whatever, you should write your own information and give them a different background color for this one, right? Like it means in the NGO, maybe someone is working, you want to give them a bonus, extra money, clear? Someone is doing hard working, so you should write in the bracket, a specific message we can write in the text box. Quick parts we are going to discuss in MS Excel program, because there is some function in formula I'm going to mention over there in Excel program. We will be studying over there. What does word art mean? So word art means I'm going to make a beautiful style for my title. How? For example, I'm click on the art, then click one of them. For example, I'm going to write, for example, welcome. It's right. I'm going to mention. Actually, I'm going to mention my website, because in the sum of example, I didn't mention my YouTube channel, Multi-Skill Learns Academy. So I'm going to make one of the posters, so that will be available in my friends, so that will be very easy for you people to subscribe my channel. So I'm going to make tomorrow, inshallah, I'm going to show in my video, then you can easily subscribe my channel, right? So the next one, so in here we have, for example, this kind of design. So this design I made from here. So there is a different type of design, right? Whatever you want to choose, you can choose from here. So this is a kind of design. If you want to give them, for example, different colors, so you can easily give them colors, right? The next one is from here, drop cap. So what does it mean? So if I'm going to write equal rent, drop cap means the first character should be capital like this. Like this. In the newspaper, in magazine, we are mostly using this one. But if you want to drop by your own self, then click on the drop cap in different text styles. So line to drop, distance to drop, so you can select from here, then click, so that will be by your own self. Object means there is 2 options. Text from file, if you want to open any text, so you can easily open from here. Like for example, there is a lot of text with you. For example, on the desktop, you have more text, so you can easily open. Object means like I'm going to open more software in this program. Like all the software is mentioned in here. If you want to open in MS Word program, more programs, so you can easily open from here. No, I need some date and time at the end. For example, I need date and time, so then click on here on date and time, so then choose one of them, then click, automatically that will become. Signature we studied before. Mark as a final, from here that we study in the info. If you remember, mark as a final in signature is equal. So if I'm click on this one, so it means the people can read your text document, but they can't edit your document, right? The next one is equation. Equation we are mostly using the teacher who's teaching mathematics, chemistry, like this. So we are using for a function like business mathematics, statistic, mostly when they are going to make any paper for a student. So they are making from here. One of them, select one of them, then you can give them a different, different type of script is available. Like for example, rectangle, long integer. This one is a kind of mathematics question. So you can easily choose from here. So any kind of mathematics question if you want to make, so that is available in the equation. The next one, no, somebody said we need some symbol. Symbol means different type of symbol. Then one click, automatically that will be create over there. When I click, so that will be insert here. But if someone says, so no, my symbol is not available, I'm going to take more symbol, then click on the more symbol. All the symbols is available in here. Like there is a different type of symbols. Click here and then double click, or if you want to take the insert, so that will be inserted in here. So this was the insert menu. Tomorrow we are going to start design menu. Actually, I'm going to mention tomorrow at the last my YouTube channel. So the name of that is Multi Skills Learn Academy. So you can easily learn from that, because the video which I'm going to record for you people, so that will be more benefit and advantages for you people. And this was the last. In tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to start the next one, design menu. Have a good time for you and best of luck.